Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you make informed decisions about your health. In today's video, we're going to talk about Smuth cream. Will cover its uses, benefits, side effects, how to use it, and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Aristo Pharmaceuticals Private Ltd. Smuth cream. Uses. Smuth cream is mainly used for the treatment of piles, also called hemorrhoids, swollen veins in the rectum or anus that cause pain, bleeding, or irritation during bowel movements. Benefits. Smuth cream offers multiple benefits. It reduces discomfort, improves blood circulation, prevents vein rupture and clot formation, and soothes itching and irritation. It also contains antioxidant properties that support faster healing. For best results, use it as prescribed, avoid spicy and oily food, and increase fiber intake. Side effects. While generally safe, Smuth cream can cause mild side effects at the application site, such as burning, irritation, itching, or redness. If any of these symptoms persist or worsen, consult your doctor. How to use. Before using Smuth cream, make sure the area is clean and dry. Apply a thin layer to the affected area and gently rub it in until fully absorbed. It's usually applied 2 to 3 times daily or after each bowel movement. Remember, it's for external use only. How it works. Smuth cream is a blend of 4 powerful ingredients. Lidocaine, a local anesthetic that blocks pain signals. Calcium dobesylate, which protects blood vessels and improves flow. Hydrocortisone, a steroid that reduces redness and swelling. Zinc, which has antiseptic and astringent effects. Together, they provide quick relief and promote healing.